from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Hyundai i30 here on a 2011 plate, just doing a brake light, stop lamp. I'm going to show you which one it is first. Now if you press the brakes for me please. As you can see, that one there is working, but this one here isn't. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you how it's done. It is a simple procedure. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, but if they are very tight, then you can use a 10mm socket with a ratchet. But the bulb you need is this one right here, RB380, which can be found in the description. And all you've got to do first is 1, 2, 3 screws right here, and that's the fourth one. Usually these are quite tight, so if you've got some lubrication, spray it through the gap there. Just gonna put the bulb here, undo this one first. So now this has got a 10mm head on there as well, so you can use a socket. You can let go of the brakes, thank you, and undo this one as well. So make sure you don't drop these. If you're working on the roadside, you possibly might do drop it, but then make sure you're not working by the drainage system, otherwise you'll end up buying new ones. Right, that's the third one, and the last one is right at the top. Right, once you've taken all these off, all you then do is put these onto the side. You pull it from the bottom, and on the inside here, come round. So on the inside here, what you do, you gently wiggle, and then pull it out towards you. See, that's the lug right there. There's one on the top, and there's one there as well. So you then slot your fingers in, and then pull the whole thing out. Once you've got it out, now there is a cable sort of kind of connected in there. If you just look right in there. So if I were to pull this cable backwards, and then the whole thing would come out. But what I need to do is I need to replace this one here. Now if I undo this to my left, pull it out, it ain't gonna come out all the way. So what I do, I take the cable out through this gap here. I then got the bulb out. Now like I said to you, it's a 380 double filament bulb. The 382 will be a single filament. So that's a double right there. There's only one way the bulb would go as well, so it's not going that way. What I need to do is slot it this way, and then slot it back through the gap. Again, there's only one way they can go in as well, but when you do put it in, just double check the seals. Make sure the seals are good as well. So you twist that to the left, to the right, sorry. I then slot that in, and I'll just line these up, and then push it in. Make sure it goes in nicely. I will put these on, but I would worry about it later on. Now, could you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see, that one there is working now. If there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist, or leave us a comment below for Hyundais, and or leave us a comment below as well. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and